please.
Okay. Take your card for me, mate. Take your card. Okay. I can see the card, it's fine. What I want you to do is, on the face side, is draw any item of food. Any item of food. Try and make it recognisable if you can, because we're all going to be judging your drawing now, but any item of food.
这两个肉血就把我剪。
That's good.
1 second.
Yeah, it's good, it's good. Think about it. I like it, I like it. That's good. Watch. If you was to leave that food out in the street, it'd probably attract a few insects, yeah? See, look, watch. So watch this, look. See, it attracts a few, like, insects, yeah? Ants, yeah? Be honest. Is it an apple? Yeah, he's had it. Okay. I do feel bad though because it's got ants on it now. Would you cup your hands together like that for me? That's it. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. Watch. I'm just gonna sort of take the ants off the back of the card. Yeah.
Where are the ants?
Awesome, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll let you keep that as a little.
Hey, take your hands.